Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss an important topic, the top 10 foods that can raise blood sugar levels. Whether you have diabetes or are concerned about maintaining stable blood sugar levels, this information will be beneficial. So let's dive right in. Food 1, white bread. Our first culprit on the list is white bread. While it may be tasty and convenient, white bread is highly processed and lacks fiber, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Opt for whole grain alternatives like whole wheat bread, which contain more fiber and have a lower glycemic index. Food 2, sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, including sodas and fruit juices, are major contributors to elevated blood sugar levels. They are loaded with added sugars and lack essential nutrients. Instead, choose water, unsweetened tea, or low-sugar alternatives to quench your thirst. Food 3, processed snacks. Processed snacks like chips, cookies, and crackers are often high in refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats. These snacks can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits, nuts, or homemade snacks made with whole grains. Food 4, white rice. White rice is a staple food for many, but it's important to note that it can significantly impact blood sugar levels. The refining process removes the outer bran and germ, stripping away valuable fiber and nutrients. Consider switching to brown rice or other whole grains to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Food 5, sweetened cereals. Sweetened cereals may seem like a quick and easy breakfast option, but they are often loaded with added sugars. These cereals cause a spike in blood sugar levels and leave you feeling hungry shortly after. Opt for whole grain cereals with no added sugars or sweeten them with fresh fruits. Food 6, potatoes. Potatoes are a starchy vegetable that can rapidly raise blood sugar levels due to their high carbohydrate content. Instead of white potatoes, try consuming sweet potatoes or other non-starchy vegetables that have a lower glycemic impact. Food 7, sugary desserts. Indulging in sugary desserts like cakes, cookies, and ice cream can lead to sudden blood sugar spikes. These treats are typically high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Enjoy them in moderation or consider healthier dessert options, such as fresh fruit or homemade treats with natural sweeteners. Food 8, fruit juices. While fruit juices may seem healthy, they can contain a concentrated amount of natural sugars without the beneficial fiber found in whole fruits. It's better to consume whole fruits instead, as they provide essential fiber and nutrients that help slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Food 9, dried fruits. Dried fruits are a popular snack, but they can lead to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels due to their concentrated sugar content. If you enjoy dried fruits, consume them in moderation and pair them with a source of protein or healthy fat to help slow down the absorption of sugar. Food 10, candy and sweets. Last but not least, candy and sweets are obvious culprits when it comes to raising blood sugar levels. They are typically high in added sugars and offer little nutritional value. Minimize your consumption of these treats and satisfy your sweet tooth with healthier alternatives like dark chocolate or naturally sweetened options. Now that we've covered the top 10 foods that can raise blood sugar levels, let's discuss some tips to help you manage your glycemic levels effectively. Focus on a balanced diet. Include a variety of whole foods, such as lean proteins, healthy fats, and high-fiber carbohydrates in your meals. Portion control. Be mindful of your portion sizes to avoid overeating and excessive carbohydrate intake. Regular physical activity. Engage in regular exercise to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Choose low glycemic foods. Opt for foods with a lower glycemic index to minimize spikes in blood sugar levels. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support overall health and blood sugar regulation. Monitor your blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or are concerned about your blood sugar levels, regularly monitor them and consult with your healthcare provider. And there you have it, the top 10 foods that can raise blood sugar levels. By being mindful of your food choices, making healthier alternatives, and practicing portion control, you can effectively manage your glycemic levels and promote overall well-being. Remember, small changes in your diet and lifestyle can make a significant impact on your health. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from this information.